So this is my finished Lego chainsaw. So after I'll show you the instructions and look at this when it spins. It looks like it's spinning super slowly, but actually it's spinning super duper fast. And actually, look at this. Let me take the battery off. And, oops. Let me put this back on. Just gonna take this off and then put this back on. Good. And then put it in the middle and then spin it. Look! It's spinning in a circle. It's so funny. And it's spinning the machine. It's heavier, so it's spinning in a circle. In the other side. And if I do this, this is what happens. It walks straightly on my ground, and this is backwardly. And it's like a tank. It doesn't turn though. This is how I would turn it. The only way. You do this, and do this, pull it. Look at this dude. It's like a tank. It's just like a giant tank. Yeah. Let's see if we can walk over my other truck. Or it will get stuck, maybe. I think it will walk over. Yeah, it does. Let me try my hand. Yeah. And this is a giant thing. Walk over a battery. Oh gosh. Stop going there. Hey dude. Oh my gosh. This dude is hard to control because it's not a real RC. Oops. Let's now. Oops. It doesn't. It just push it away. Oh my gosh. And okay. Let me put it back on first. And then I'll show you what it absolutely looks like. This engine. Oh my gosh. This engine just has these two things and attach it onto, This is what it normally looks like. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Simon, and today I'll show you guys how to make a Lego chainsaw. First, you do need this. Yeah, I did have a bunch of Lego pieces, yeah. So, yeah, if you have Lego pieces, just copy this. Let me just search for youtube.com and search for Lego Chainsaw version 3. It's just I, capital I, and you can saw mine. So, yeah, so first, put this. And you better have a place to put the engine here. So, yeah, I do use this engine. So, I used glue gun before, so there's glue, but that's okay. And now you will need this. Put this black things on here. And put this all the way through the end. Yeah, there's a use for this. So, yeah, like this. Okay, good. And then push your engine through. No, I forgot a piece, but I have a bunch of that piece. Okay, I have one. And you just put one of these pieces. Like, let me. Okay, you can see my screen, yeah? Yeah, like this. And you push it through, and boom. And push it in a little bit or like this. And now this one will be spinning. Look. Wait. Let me show you it. Okay. See? This one is spinning. And now I will put the tracks on. So let me show you what's the track. So yeah, there's a lot of tracks. I have like 35 tracks. I have like more than I can't count, maybe 1 billion track pieces. I can make so much tracks. Yeah, this is one track this long. And then, okay, so, and then let me move my camera farther. And then you just pick up this, okay, and then you put it on. And yeah, and go through, oh my gosh, ow. Okay, just go through here, through the middle, and oh my gosh, it's so hard. Oh my gosh. Should I move it somewhere else to do it? Yeah, I mean, I can do it. Okay, good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I fought again. Yeah, this Lego piece is, do I need one more? I mean, no, I don't need, because yeah. Okay, see? Now, you can see it's like this. The track. See, it's moving. It looks like it's moving slowly, but actually it's moving super fast. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Oh, I turned off my engine. Oh my god, it's moving. Look. Oh my gosh. It's like a car. It's not RC. I have an RC remote control, but I don't need it for this one. Okay, and second, you will need one of these with 2 black things with 5 holes, and push it right on top of here, and it'll keep it stable and not falling apart. And then you'll find one of these pieces with a 3 by 1 pieces, and you put this right, I know how to say it, but yeah, right here. After the first hole ends, put it here. And this thing, handles, put it here like that. And another 4 by 3 yellow piece, you'll put it right here. And see? Oh my god, it looked like an RC car. Look at this. Oh, oopsie. Look, it's moving. Ah! Let's see how strong it is. Ow, 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 ow! That hurts. Ooh. Oh, dude. Stop pulling me. Oh my gosh. This end is super strong. Oh my gosh, it's pulling me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, almost looks like a real chainsaw. After, you need so much pieces. This is first this, second this with 2 of black things, and 3 these, 4th these, and 5th these. Okay, let me build them up. First, you put this one right here like that, and this one, I mean not on here yet. It will go somewhere like this part. Yeah, this part. Yeah. So it will end this machine like that. This will go on this. When this go on this, it will go on this. And when it go on this, you'll put it onto. Oh, I forgot the thing. Oh, here's this thing. And you'll put it just on really neatly onto. Oh, I forgot another one. Sorry. Okay, like this. And neatly put it onto. No, upside down. Like this. Put it like this. You got it now. Look. But not yet. I'm not finished it. Look. You got it. But almost got it. And without the video, I just put on this thing. But that's okay. Just copy it. Look. If you want to copy it. Look. But I still have some part to let this thing be more stronger to hold this heavy thing in the front. But yeah. The back should be longer, but yeah. This is all the pieces you need now. Duplicated. They're the same. Just gonna... Yeah, never mind. I'll just leave it on. Yeah, it will take more time. So, no, I would just say never mind. My favorite word. I mean, I would take off this. Don't copy the first one, okay? I actually did a mistake, but sorry. Okay, just put it on like that. After one hole in the middle, 2 holes in the middle. Good. After you need these pieces. No, not this one. Just this pieces. Okay, let me show you what to do. You just easy peasy. It's an easy peasy part. So take that off. I'll just and put it like this. Lego building. I'm a genius at Lego building. I know how to do everything. 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 Yeah, everything in Lego. And put this in the front and then the back. This into the back. And it's still looking not like a chainsaw. Where's the middle engine? Where's the thing that you grabs on in the middle? This is there for protection. But where's the thing you grab in the middle? But yeah, we're not finished the chainsaw yet. There's a lot of parts you need to. Now is the easy peasy part. You put one here and put it in. Yeah, and then I'll show you the next step after this. You're gonna put another in. Just gonna get rid of that and put this in and put one here. So it gets stuck here and put one here. First get it out and let it and feel it if it's strong. Mine is not strong yet because I didn't told you every single part you need to do when you build the saw. So it's not working yet. It should not be working yet. Check if it's working. If it's working, bad. If it's not working, good. If it's working, bad, okay? Remember the sentence. If it's working, bad. If it's not working, good. Remember it. Remember the sentence forever, please. You need to remember the sentence. Please, okay? Please remember the sentence. Well, don't do it fast and I won't speed up. If I speed up, you won't be able to follow any step. You will be able to follow this step. 0 steps. Okay. Just a sneeze. Oh my gosh. Okay, so where would I use? These two. Look, these two. Put one here and one here, and cook them. Put them together, and yeah. You do this. Just like this. But I'm not finished. Just wait. And then you will need these pieces. Same as the other one. You know what I would do, right? I think you do. Or you not. I mean, I did a mistake, actually. It's like here. And this one here. And put it on. Like this. Oh. Yeah. No. Good. That'll be the middle machine that you'll use. Put this down first. Yeah, it should be down. It shouldn't be up. And same as the other one. Change it. I did a mistake, sorry. Sorry for that mistake, but yeah, but mistakes are good. Yeah, and that's true. Mistakes are good. Okay, just need to find another piece because I forgot that piece, so. But yeah, I have way too much Lego. Yeah, I found it already. Yeah, no, wait. Yes, great. Now this one, put it in. You just need one. See? And put it in. Oopsies. Put this in. It should be stretched out a little bit, but it should be stretched out a little bit. It should be. It must be stretched out a little bit. Then it doesn't look like a chainsaw. So it should be like this. And this should be in. Yeah. Oh my God. It shouldn't be stretched out, but yeah, never mind. I'll just put it in like this. But I have another piece to find. So, yeah. I'll do it in the next part. Now I just did this part independently, like 1, 2, 3 of these, 1, 2, 3 of these on here. And match them really correctly. I'll do it on the 3s. You can do it on whatever you want. And leave some space in the outside, okay? That's how I do it. I don't know if you do that, but I do it like that. Okay? Leave a little bit of space in. We'll plug it in, watch it out, put space in there. Oh my gosh. This will be the part that, the engine part. Look like that. Electric one has the engine is out here, so yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. Thank you. Okay, let me pick it up and spin it. It looked like it's spinning so slowly, but actually it's spinning super fast.